I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that features the soft shoe. That's what I call the step. I know a lot of other people call it different things, but I learned it as a soft shoe. So if you haven't learned the step, I did release a step tutorial of it a week or two ago, so it's in the step tutorial playlist, which is right down below. Learn the step and then come back to this video, because this video is to help you practice that step now that you've learned it. So it's a short and sweet intermediate level exercise that would be great for you to bring to your students if you want them to practice the step, or for you if you are just learning it, or just because you want to do something fun on a Tuesday. Why not? So let's go ahead and get started. It's basically a two-section technique exercise that does right and left. So you have a soft shoe and a soft shoe, and then you have it's like a paddle step. Some people call it a bomberché, but I call a bomberché something else a bomberché because you do it a little bit differently. But regardless of terminology, just watch the feet and you'll be okay. So you have the soft shoe, which is just a quick review, is step, full lap, step, step, full lap, step. So just a quick review of that. But if you need more, the video is in the playlist down below. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then you have step, step, change, step, and what I call 3 paddle steps. Now you're not turning it, you're taking them to the side. So let's try that from the soft shoe. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Then you do it on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you just start everything with the left foot. Soft shoe, step, Cool, so let's do left, and then we'll try right and left. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Then, the second part. You start exactly the same with the soft shoe. Then you have step, full lap, step, full lap. This time you bring it to the side. Then you bring it back to the front, step, full lap, and then step. So basically, you're doing what I call a triple soft shoe. So it just has 3 full lap steps in it. Step to the front, to the side, to the front. So you have single to the right, single to the left, triple to the right. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. And then the last part, you do it to the left. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, left, left. One more time to the left. Then we'll try right and left. Then we'll try it from the beginning with the paddle steps. And then we'll do it to some music. All right, one more time to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Right and then left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. I think bento came in at some point. I saw like a black thing. Black shadow. Oh yes, there he is. Okay, so try from the top. So right soft shoe, left soft shoe, paddle. Soft shoe, paddle. Soft shoe, triple. Soft shoe, triple. It's really hard to say. Okay, let's do it. 5 and or da 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 da. 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 4. 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. 1 and a 2. 3 and a 4. 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. 1 and a 2. 3 and a 4. 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. Not bad. All right, let's do it a little bit faster because I don't remember the tempo of the song I picked. Just in case. Let's do it a little faster. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. That should cover us. Okay? Whew, we got this. 5, 6, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 Fantastic. All right, let's try it to some music just for fun, okay? Oh, this is good. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8, okay? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, fantastic. Just to make sure we have it, let's do it one more time, and we'll call it a day. I love this. I love this combination so much. I'm gonna stick it in a dance somewhere. I love it. I never remember how much fun I have doing soft shoes until I actually do them, and then I'm just like, wait, these are so fun. Hi, Bento. You guys can't see him, but he's like right there. All right, let's do it one more time. Working on soft shoes with me today. Again, if you call it something different, please let me know what you call it. Write it in the comments down below, because I absolutely love learning different terms for different steps. But yeah, this was so much fun. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this, step tutorials, like I mentioned, where you can just learn a step, like the soft shoe, or choreography tutorials that I release every week, so you can learn a fun dance with me to either like current popular music or classic favorites or like stuff that's randomly off the wall. I take requests. I have a whole book full. I have a long list of requests. I don't even do them in order. I do them based on like when I find a good version of the song. So yeah, all that on this channel, plus vlogs and challenges and all kinds of fun stuff. I also release mini tutorials on this channel now. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Subscribing is the best way to support this channel. I have a very lofty goal of hitting 100,000 subscribers, so definitely help me out with that and hit that button for me. Also, hit the thumbs up button because A, you like this, and B, it tells YouTube that people like free tap class, and so we want YouTube to promote more free tap class. I'm not the only one out here doing this. There are some amazing people like United Taps that we talked about on this channel, amazing people doing free tap lessons on YouTube, and that thumbs up button on this video definitely helps YouTube go, oh, people like that, and then it helps people find more stuff like this, which is fantastic. Also, I've said this in every video I filmed today, but fun fact, I know that this is being released way after the fact, but I am in fact, wait, I used that word. Anyway, I use that word too many times. I'm filming this on National Tap Dance Day, so I just wanted to let you know that, and even though it was months ago, have a wonderful, happy National Tap Dance Day. Yes. So yeah, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.